Hi, guys.
I'm so excited!
I am incredibly excited to have you all here tonight. Thank you for coming. We have got a good show for you tonight. And I'm glad you could be here on our launch day. So we're going to have a bunch of presentations. I'm going to tell you what we do. Then Andrew, my co-founder, is going to explain to you the nuts and bolts of Firebase, how it works. Then we got Vikram in the back there, who's going to walk you through a quick game that we built. Then we have 9 2.5-minute presentations of people who have built apps on top of Firebase. We've got some great people here. They built some great stuff, and I'm super excited that they could all be here. Finally, we'll wrap up with some Q&A, and then we'll let you guys get back to the party. There we go. Beer is always popular. So what is Firebase?
Awesome.
Okay, we're done. So Firebase is a scalable, real-time backend. So what does that mean? That means that you can build apps really fast without worrying about servers or writing server code. So Firebase takes the process of building an app, which right now is long and it's hard and it's painful, and we make it fast and easy. So right now, when you're building apps, you need to use several components. You need to use servers, databases, server code, networking code, and finally, front-end code. And that's the code that your users interact with. So Firebase changes all of this. With Firebase, all you do is you write the front-end code and we take care of the rest. Now this is a big deal. And it's a big deal for 3 reasons. Reason number 1, it speeds up app development immensely. So what used to take weeks now takes minutes. Number 2, it's a big deal because you get to focus on what's most important, which is making your customers happy. Users don't care that their new phone has 50 cores. They care that it works, and they care that they have a good experience. With Firebase, you get to focus on creating a great experience for your users. And third, it's a big deal because all of your apps are now completely real-time. So this is not a buzzword. This is not a buzzword. Building real-time apps is hard. Making the internet instantaneous is hard. And then try scaling that. But we've done this before. So our team has built technology, real-time technology, that powers chat on over 70,000 websites, and it serves tens of millions of users each month. So we've done this before. Firebase is a big deal because it makes real-time not only accessible, but it makes it easy. So you can build pretty much any type of cloud app on Firebase. The sky is literally the limit. You can build games, you can build social apps, you can build collaboration apps, presentation apps, education apps, and we'll be seeing many of those here tonight. So there are an ever-growing number of apps being released out there. And so Firebase is reducing the barrier to entry. So you haven't seen anything yet. There's also this great trend of browser technology maturing and becoming pervasive. So this means that in the future, you'll have an ever-growing population able to build more apps that get more momentum. And this future is going to be powered by Firebase. So I'm going to turn it over to Andrew now, and he's going to give you some nuts and bolts of how Firebase works. Then we're going to move on to Vikram, and then we'll move on to our presentations.
Hey everyone, can you hear me in the back?